Well, the sun rose over the Ngorongoro Massif, and as it did, everything started coming to life. Vultures took off. And there were a lot of animal moving at the edge of the woodland. This began with a cheetah, a single animal, obviously just waking up, and you could tell by the body language that this cat was hungry and really wanting to do something about that. It could see a lot of the animals that had gathered along the edge of the woodland. Cheetah don't like being close to a lot of adult prey. They prefer the younger ones, and it seems that they wait for little wildebeest like this to arrive. I thought the little calf gave a really good account of itself considering the speed of the cheetah. But it didn't take long before it was subdued. And they try and kill it as quickly and as quietly as possible so as not to draw attention from hyenas or lions. Once the cheetah has immobilized the little calf, it quickly drags it away, looks around immediately for anything that might be coming up to steal its prey. Cheetah really battle with this. Really making sure that the prey is hidden in this little shadow. It then has to take a brief rest just to catch its breath before it begins to eat. Cheetah really expend a lot of quick burst energy on catching their prey, and obviously have to let their heart rate return. Eventually it settles down and begins to dismantle this wildebeest calf in a really discreet little pool of shade in the woodland. Cheetahs eat really quickly too. They have to make the most of this meal before they get chased off.